Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what is footprinting and terminology. Okay, and why do attacker need footprinting? Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. What is footprinting? Footprinting is the technique used for gathering information about computer system. To get this information, hacker might be use various tools and technique. This information is very useful to hacker who trying to crack whole system. Okay, so this is the footprinting. Next, footprinting terminology. Okay, before going deep into concept, it is important to know the basic terminology used to footprinting. This term help you understand the concept of footprinting and its structure. Okay, so let's start. First is open source or passive information gathering. Okay, open source or passive information gathering is easiest way to collect information about the target organization. Okay, it refers to process of gathering information from the open source, okay, publicly available source. This requires no direct contact with target organization. Okay, open source include newspapers, televisions, and social networking site, blogs, etc. Okay, using this you can gather information such as network boundaries, IP addresses reachable via the internet, operating system, web servers, software used by target network, TCP and UDP service in each system, access control mechanism, system architecture and intrusion detection system, and so on. Okay, so this is the open source or passive information gathering. Okay, next is active information gathering. In active information gathering process, attackers mainly focus on the employees of target organization. Okay, attackers try to extract information from employee by conducting social engineering, on-site visits, interviews, questionnaires. Okay, so etc. Okay, next is anonymous footprinting. This refers to process of collection information from source anonymously so that your efforts cannot be tracked back to you. Okay, next terminology, pseudonymous footprinting. Pseudonymous footprinting refers to the process of collecting information from sources that have been published on the internet, but it is not directly linked to the author name. This information may be published under a different name, or the author may have well established pen name, or the author may be corporate or government official and be prohibited from posting under his or her original name. Okay, irrespective of the reason for hiding the author name, collecting information from such source is called pseudonymous. Okay, next terminology, organizational or private footprinting. Private footprinting involves collecting information from organization web based calendar and image service. Okay, and last terminology is internet footprinting. Okay, internet footprinting refers to the processes of collecting information of the target organization connection to the internet. Okay, so these are footprinting terminology. Next, why do attacker need footprinting? Okay, for attacker to build hacking strategy, they need to gather information about the target organization network so that they can find easiest way to break into the organization's security perimeter. Okay, as mentioned previously, footprinting is the easiest way to gather information about the target organization. This plays a vital role in the hacking process. Okay, footprinting helps to know security posture. Performing footprinting on the target organization in systematic and methodical manner gives the complete profile of the organization's security posture. Okay, so you can analyze this report to figure out the loopholes in the security posture of your target organization, and then you can build your hacking plan accordingly. Okay, next is reduce attack area. By using combination of tool and technique, attacker can take unknown entity, for example XYZ organization, okay, and reduce to specific range of domain name, network blocks and individual IP addresses of system directly connected to the internet, as well as many other detail pertaining to its security posture. Okay, so next is build information database. Detailed footprinting provide maximum information about the target organization. Attackers can build their own information database about the security weaknesses of the target. Okay, so this database can then be analyzed to find the easiest way to break into the organization's security perimeter. Okay, and last is draw network map. Combining footprinting techniques with the tools such as tracer allow the attacker to create network diagram of the target organization network presence. This network map represent their understanding of the target internet footprinting. Okay, so this network diagram can guide the attack. Okay, so these reasons of attacker need footprinting. Okay, thank you for watching.